It's easy to stay busy doing things that make us feel productive. We all do it. In the good old days, it used to be things like putting your CD collection or video collection into alphabetical order. As a teenager, I remember, and I'm guessing this is still the case today, kind of cleaning your bedroom. Now I know, not such a bad thing, Katie, you might be saying, but not so great if it's just a distraction activity for something they really should be doing, like that English essay or maths investigation. We also get very good at disguising these distraction activities as something that still feels study related. For example, making a lovely cover page for that maths investigation perhaps. But the key to higher grades with less stress is your teen figuring out the specific tasks and places to put their effort that will really move the needle in terms of their results, rankings, and grades. So is it to practice some past paper questions rather than writing out more and more notes? Is it to work on extending their analyses in their English essay rather than finding another quote or reference? How many sources do they really need for that history inquiry? Would they be better off finding more, or would they be better off adding more depth and detail to evaluating the sources they already have? In other words, they need to identify the tasks that will boost their results, not just give them more ticks on a to-do list. They should also consider training and learning what will really help across the board, whether that's maybe universal to all their subjects or serving them across different subjects. For example, honing their paragraphing and vocabulary and sentence structures in their writing, or developing exam technique skills, or studying past paper mark schemes and maybe the chief examiner reports and retrospectives that go with them. The trouble is that these are jobs or activities that rarely appear on anyone's and any student's to-do list, but they are so important to boosting grades and confidence in students. So tell me, scroll down, leave me a comment wherever you're watching this, on my blog, on YouTube, on Facebook. I'd love to hear from you. What are the things that would move the needle most for your teen, but what are the activities that are keeping them busy or feeling busy, but maybe aren't necessarily giving them the biggest payoff? Let me know. I'm Katie Price, grade transformation expert, and until next week, let's make this a fantastic week.